So if it is not drug, it can be an X-ray.
Yeah.
Click on X-ray, type X-ray as service name, and you have endless list of X-ray. Choose the one that best describe what you did. Just choose whichever one.
Yes.
It is editable, as I told you. Edit.
Yes.
Maybe it's 10 naira. For illustration purpose, click on OK. So those have been added. The next thing to do, haven't done all that, is to click on save. Is to do what? Click on save. I don't want, okay, I will save this record, but I just want to make it void so that nothing is, written there against your account. I just make it 0 or true. Don't worry. You can see where I went to. I want to make the value 0.
All right.
So just in case you want to edit, you understand how to just edit. Once the value is empty, there's no money for it. So that's no issue. You get it?
Yes.
You might not have the opportunity to clear all this record, like dissolve, whatever. Just make the services 0.
Okay.
Doing the same, just editing it. Maybe we should just leave this one so you can see something there when I'm showing you total amount. So you can see. So I'm clicking save. After entering all the record, I'm clicking save.
Okay.
So now it says claims record updated. Now, how will you be certain that you've saved a record on the system? Just click on HCP service here and click on claims management. It's a way of refreshing the system. Scroll down. Here you can see claim summary, like your dashboard. You can see we uploaded just a corporate bill, number of bill as 1, total bill as 1, like that. Do you get it, sir?
Yes, sir.
If you still think that you have omitted a particular service, drug or X-ray or whatever, you can still revisit that single person's bill, that one Obembe Oluwafemi bill, that man, by clicking the detail by the side. That is, you want to still go back to correct one thing or the other. When I click the detail, bring just the one bill out, which is here. And I can equally still go back to at the point of adding services by clicking beside that person's name where you see details. And scroll down and you can begin to edit again. After editing again, you have the opportunity to save. You cannot edit when you must have submitted. How do we submit? Same on the dashboard as I showed you. There is a submit button by the right. Click the submit button and scroll down. Here it says bill month for when? Of course, November. But let me say here that you cannot submit a November bill as at today. Reason that we've not exhausted the month of November. We expect you to add each encounters of people that visited in November. And for instance, the first week of December will have been an appropriate time to send November bill. We don't send on each day encounter. We send on a monthly basis. So we expect you that for you to be sure of November elapsed, save all your record in November and first week of December you can send. However, when you are sending for November, choose the month as November and the year specify as what 2023. And then click on send. When you click on send, automatically your bill has been sent to United Healthcare. Hello?
I'm here.
So once you click on send, automatically your bill has been sent to United Healthcare. Are we clear?
Well, so far, but we need to have a revision.
Okay, so what is the revision? At this point, I just think I should take questions. So what exactly is the revision? Okay, let me go back. Let me just rephrase. I'll just do a recap. In the beginning of the training, I said something. By default, when you log in, this is what you see. Eh? This is what you see. Your front desk officer that has the first contact with our enrollee. The enrollee, of course, will have a patient ID or enrollee ID. If the patient comes with enrollee ID that has alphabet preceding the digits of his ID, that patient is corporate. Go to corporate. That will guide you to where to go to. Even if you are doing the bill, when you check the enrollee details, you know where to go to. You understand? That's said. Now, let's assume the enrollee does not come with his enrollee ID. Of course, he will have a surname. To check the enrollee, the only difficulty here is that you are to now guess. For instance, you just come and say Obembe and you are on NHIS. When you go and check the enrollee, let me give you an illustration. You don't have this patient ID. I'm just giving you a typical example. You don't have his ID. It doesn't supply the ID. When you type in the surname, if you don't have the enrollee ID, you will definitely have what? The surname. If you type the surname here and click find, it won't show this person's details. There is chances that you will have to start asking him, are you sure this is your surname? If he said yes, then of course the person is not under NHIS. Do you get it? Go and change your scheme. Because it didn't provide you enrollee ID for you to be able to ascertain what scheme it belongs to. Choose corporate.
Okay.
Search under corporate. When you put the name here, certainly, under corporate, if it's your patient, the surname, it will come out. If it's not your patient, it won't come out. And the other option you have is that to be sure that maybe the patient is being referred from another facility. So if I'm using the surname here now to check, as a referred case, you will see the information of this person. Can you see it? His primary hospital is Solid Rock. And they're being referred today to this facility. And this is the code. I think
This
that
part, that's the referral code at the end.
Yes, at the end. I hope this side is clear.
Well, yes.
All right. So let me, to buttress my point, let me do something. I want to change the scheme to NHIS because you have NHIS enrollee. So we'll use one of your NHIS enrollee to confirm now. So I'm clicking OK. I just want to check through and use one of your enrollee. So this is an enrollee details that is active. Is the enrollee ID. This code is for NHIS. This is what NHIS looks like. So if I'm going to check this person, once he walks in and he says that digit, automatically without alphabet, I'll know his NHIS scheme. So I'll just put the enrollee details here. The man might miss this part out, you understand, of the enrollee ID. Once he misses it out, you just click on the digit and click find. It will bring all the enrollee that has these details out, which obviously they will belong to the same family. This is the principal, Gloria. This is the wife, /1. You understand? And this other one as the child, he has been withdrawn. For whatsoever reason, I don't know why the child was being withdrawn. I don't know. Can be anything. That's why it's being withdrawn. I hope you understand this one now because this is your primary enrollee. I'm not going to be checking him under authorized referral. I will check him under Eroli authentication because this is the hospital he uses. It is me that was referred. It is Mr. Femi Obembe that was referred that made me to go to authorized referral. And in many cases, most of them will come either with the authorized referral code, and if it does not, or it cannot confirm that, use the surname to check. That's the list. You can only use one condition at a time. You can't put surname and authorization code there. You won't get a desirable response. It's either you use the surname or you use the authorization code or the Eroli ID. Now, going to claims management, click on HCP service, claims management. That's after you've gotten approval code. And I've told you condition where you get approval code, situation where you get approval code. For private, all encounters must have approval code. Once you are under claims management, under HCP service, claims management, the approval code given, put it here. 1466038 and click find. When you scroll down, you will see beside the person's name, there is a create claim button. Why I'm saying detail is because I've already entered some record for this person with this approval code. If it is a fresh bill, you will see create claim here, not details. You will see create claim here. Then you click the create claim. The next thing you do is scroll down. Note the date granted, sir. Note the date granted. Don't tamper with it, just note it. Scroll a bit downward. This place will be empty, date of treatment. Put the date granted in this date of treatment. Put the date granted in this date of bill from your calendar and click on add service. I told you services name ranges for consultation, drug name. In the service name, either you are putting a service name such as consultation, drug name, X-ray, lab test, imagine lipid profile test.
Yeah.
You have it. Just choose it. And the price as charged and agreed with United. Indicate here. And click here. In this case, anything times 0 is 0. Then you click on OK. I'm just using that as illustration. And when you click on save, when you are done with everything of that person, click on save. That record will have been updated. If you haven't seen it being reflected here, because now I added lipid profile test. If it's not reflecting, maybe the prices has not increased. Just go back here, HCP service, click claims management, because the price there was 0. So that's why it's not changing. But if I change it to something else, it will have increased the price here. So if you click to confirm what you have there, click details, scroll down. Just there, you see the one record bill that I inputted. Click the details beside the name. Scroll down, and you see the record. You see all the record entered.
Yes, consultation.
All right. So now, to now be sure that you are, when you are sure that you've done the right thing, click on submit. That's the recap I'm doing, sir. Scroll down.
Yes.
Bill month for when? It is November. Put November.
Okay.
Yeah. Put the year. And click on send. Do you get it?
Yes.
That's all, sir.
There's no need for batch number.
The batch number will be sent to your mail when you successfully do that. The batch number, the essence of it is for reconciliation, or to reconcile payments.
Okay.
You might
will send the batch number to the
system will generate the batch number and it will be sent to your mail. Let me say this here. You can not upload bill that is older than 90 days.
Okay.
So you should bear in mind. You can only upload bill that is within 90 days. So anything older than 90 days, you cannot upload and send to us. Now, there might be a situation whereby November bill, you didn't submit eventually to us on time. You've now piled up December bill. When you are sending December bill, automatically the system will send your backlog lesser than 90 days. Do you understand my English, sir? Your backlog lesser than 90 days. As at December, when you are sending December bill, November bill that is still on your dashboard. I'm not encouraging provider to
delay sending the bills.
Eh?
You're not encouraging delay sending the bills.
Yes, but I'm just giving you typical reason why batch number has been a thing that we reconcile with. So when you are sending us at that time, it will send your November with December bill. Now, you know that so now that you are now asking for your money, you are now trying to seek clarification. Rather than you now trying to mix up when you send the bill or not, or you are not sure. All I will just ask you is that, what was your last batch number? Are you with me? It's unfortunate this person is joining late. I'll ask you, what was your last batch number? Welcome, Okelechi. So the batch number is now what I, at the United Healthcare, will reconcile with to confirm that, okay, this set of bill you send with this batch number that we received, there are 20 bills in them. There is a November bill inside it, and there is a December bill. Just to clarify those, how do I call it, those mix-up. That's the essence of those batch number. Please, is this clear?
Yes.
All right. Mr. Kelechi, can you identify to us your hospital? What's the name of your hospital? Are you with a mic there? Do you have a mouthpiece? Mr. Kelechi. Let me chat him. I'm not sure he can hear me. Or he can hear me, but he doesn't have a mouthpiece. Mr. Kelechi, simply reply me with a message, the name of your hospital, and let's see how far we can go before we get time out. I can try and have a recap all over again. Are you there, Mr. Kelechi? Or drop your email address. I can send you a recorded section I have. Mr. Kelechi, if you can hear me, kindly send me your email address now. All right, Isioma Hospital, thank you for your time. If there is no question, Mr. Joseph, I think we are good to go. When my colleague visited your facility, did my colleague drop a sticker note that has a call center number?
I think so, but you can continue.
No, I don't have it. I just want to be sure. If you cannot send a request for code approval to code approval at United Healthcare, you can also send through WhatsApp to us. Please check the flyer sent to you. There is a WhatsApp number for you to get response immediately.
I think didn't give us a flyer. I was not giving a flyer.
All right, please write this number down: 090
216
63 243. Yes, another one: 070 360 48 703. All right, so that will be all. I will advise Mr. Kelechi to hold on. I think he can see me.
What is the portal link? What is the portal link?
www.uhi.com.ng. Mr. Kelechi, you said no, you can't hear me. My mic is not muted. This is what I will do. Just hold on, Mr. Kelechi. I will send you, type your email address here. So I send you, type your email.
Hello. Sorry, thank you very much.
All right. Type your email address. All right. Type your email address, Mr. Kelechi, so I can send you the recorded section we had. It's unfortunate.
Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that now.
I cannot repeat myself. Thank you.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
I'm waiting for the email. What's the name of your facility, sir?
First Dominican Hospital.
Okay, First Dominican.
Yes.
Okay.
I've just sent the email now.
All right. So let me just say this. While I sent you the recorded video, it's in a link. I will do that. And if you have challenges, call me. Let me first mention here that United Healthcare has two types of enrollee. We have corporate and we have NHIS. You must identify those enrollees so that when you log into our portal, you know which direction to go. For our corporate enrollee, there is 3 alphabets preceding their ID. 3 alphabets preceding their ID. That if it happens to come with an enrollee ID. Now, if it has 3 alphabets preceding the ID, on the portal when you sign up and sign in, are you with me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
You will select corporate on the portal. There's a place called Please Select Scheme. Let me share the screen. While you are here, you can still see that from the screen. This is an account of I'll just sign out. Okay, let me just use it again and show you what I'm talking about. So take a look at this. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
Okay. Coming. All right. See, by default, when you log in, you see it like this. And I told you the patient ID indicate 3 alphabets before, what's it called? 3 alphabets before the enrollee details. For instance, FED/, that is a corporate enrollee. That's a and you click on OK. If otherwise, sir, the person is NHIS. I haven't said that. Now, under corporate enrollee, for First Dominican Hospital, if you have patient that we registered, not referred, patient we register to your facility, under corporate, all of them, they are on a fee for service basis for the corporate ones, meaning that
all the corporate enrollees.
Yes, meaning that you will get approval code for both primary and secondary service.
Okay, sir.
Now, same is applicable to somebody that is not using your facility from United, but is being referred. You will get approval code too. I am re-emphasizing this so you don't miss things out. Now, similarly to these ones I've just mentioned, it is an NHIS enrollee that is also registered under your facility. That is, okay, now, this case now is for an NHIS that is under secondary care services. An NHIS enrollee in your assigned to your facility, assigned, not referred, assigned to your facility, but is there to assign a secondary case of service, not just malaria under NHIS, but a secondary case. You must request for approval code.
Okay.
The one that you don't need to request for approval code is an enrollee that is a primary enrollee under NHIS, because it is capitated for. You don't need to get approval code. Therefore, you don't need to process the bill. capitated service are services we've paid for ahead. I hope I made that part clear, please, because that's the only part that can be confusing. Having said that,
Yes.
when an enrollee visits your facility, an enrollee that uses your facility as his primary choice of hospital, to check his eligibility, click on HCP service and click on enrollee authentication. Can you see my screen? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
Can you see my screen?
I'm seeing your screen. Yes.
For your primary enrollee, HCP service enrollee authentication. Then the next thing do, the next thing you do is to what? Enter the enrollee details here, the enrollee ID. Put it here. For instance, FED/1234. I'm just giving you an illustration and click find. You will see under the find, the information will come out. If the person does not come with his ID, of course, he will have a surname. Put the surname here. The only thing you have here is to confirm when you click find under the surname, using surname, it will bring all the people answering that name. It is now left for you to confirm, sir, which of the Ubembe are you or which of the Ajayi are you? From the list you have with you under the names that pops out, you'll be able to confirm the person's status. Because of course, it will definitely show you the status. This is what I'm referring to as status. Today is first. When you click, let's say you have inputted an enrollee. When his information comes out, you see status as active. There can be a case where you put in the enrollee details, it's showing withdrawn. This enrollee cannot be attended to. This one. Are you with me? All right. All right. So let's assume now that the enrollee is not your primary enrollee. It's just being referred to you. You go here under HCP service, click on authorized referral. Of course, the referral code will be given. You might not need to use the enrollee ID in that case or the surname. Just input the referral code, which is in digits. No alphabet preceding it. It will be in what? In digits, 146. I'm just giving you an illustration, 66038, 1466038. You can see down below here that this person's information is showing here. This is his primary care facility, but it was being provider referred to, showing Isioma Hospital. Do you get it, sir?
Okay.
So having done that, sir, the next thing is you ask the enrollee to sit down, you get treatment. After getting treatment, you process the bill. Where do I process the bill? HCP service, claims management. Are you with me?
I'm hearing you.
All right. So now that you're on claims management, enter the enrollee referral code. Please, you can get the video once I'm done here from this training. All right. So once you put in the enrollee authorization code 1466038 and you click on find. I used the authorization code. I didn't put alphabet too because they might dictate PN for you. Just ignore the PN. Just put the digit after the PN here and scroll down. Because you already have existing record of a bill saved, that's why you have things here. But if you don't have anything, you will just have this record showing the person's name. And beside this person's name, instead of details that you see here, there will be a create claim button. Create claim, not details. For the first entries you are making, to be a create claim button. Because I've entered this record, that's why it's showing create claim. So if I click on detail, you scroll down. If I click on create claim, you scroll down. So you have a preloaded information about this enrollee. to have a preloaded information. Just look at a glance at the date granted. Note the date granted. Come to date of treatment. The date of treatment will be empty. Put that same date in your date of treatment. And look at date of bill. Date of bill will be empty too. Put that same date on date of bill. Don't forget, enter date of treatment.
Same date of treatment and date of bill will be the same thing. Date of treatment and date of bill will be the same thing.
Yes, just ensure that it's the same thing to avoid issue. What will give you the clue to the date you put here, sir, is the date granted. The same for me, to make your work easy. Repeat that same date granted in your date of treatment and date of bill. Scroll down, add service. You have service ID, service name. Your service name can be consultation, a drug name, a lab test, an X-ray or whatsoever. If it is an X-ray, for instance, or let me put drug name. Let's say Artemether. Anything Artemether, ART will be out. From the list. Pick the best that describe what you gave the enrollee. Choose. Once you click choose, based on agreed tariff, the price will be here. If you have anything superior to this or contrary to this, the price is editable. I've edited it. I can edit it. The quantity maybe is 2. You put it as 2. You put it as 2. You click amount quoted and you click OK. Do you get it?
All right.
Then you click on save. I mean, you might not click on save until you are sure that you've entered all this person's services, this person's encounter service.
Maybe so automatically once I click on save, it synchronizes to your dashboard as well.
It's synchronized to your own dashboard. Okay. The record will be saved. You've not submitted to us. Let me show you eventually when you save your record. Just do a refresh. Just do a refresh here. A refresh. This button reload your page.
Okay.
When you do that, it will automatically show you this dashboard.
Okay.
Do you see what's here on the dashboard? Total bill.
Yes.
It's showing one.
Yes.
Because I didn't save the last one that I just did. Let me now save it and observe what happens. So now that I've saved it, it appears that the record hasn't changed, Abi.
Yes.
Look at what I'm doing now. I'll reload the page as refresh. And what do you see now?
Yes.
Do you get it? That is just your own dashboard. It hasn't gotten to us. Next is
until I submit.
Click on submit. Just the last phase of the training. Your bill month. What's your bill month? Select it. Maybe it's November. And your year, 2023.
Okay.
And then click on what? Send. I'm not clicking on send because this is a demo. This is a demonstration. It is when you click send that you are rest assured that you send to us. It will even generate a batch number and send to your email for confirmation.
Okay.
So that's it. If you get all I said, you don't even need the video any longer.
You can still send the video because sincerely I did not really get everything.
All right, no problem. So thank you for your time. That's all. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
I'll send definitely to you once the video is ready.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.